What's up, everyone? This is Ed the Realtor, man. I am here in Pflugerville, Texas right now. We're at the Blackhawk community. We're looking at Chesmar Homes. This is a Silas plan that we're looking at right here. A little bit under 3,000 square feet, 3-car garage. We're looking at 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, man. Y'all come on, check this out. As soon as you walk in, you're welcomed by a wide entry hallway and a private study right up front. Now this is what open concept living should look like. You have a huge kitchen island that overlooks your dining and family room, making this space perfect for entertaining, hosting holidays, or just keeping everyone connected. You got plenty of cabinet storage, a walk-in pantry, and a room for upgraded appliances and finishes, depending on how you customize your home. This family room features high ceilings and tons of natural light, and you can even upgrade to a large sliding glass door that opens to your backyard for indoor-outdoor living. Now let's check out the primary suite, and this is where the luxury really shows. You get a spacious bedroom with tray ceilings and a spa-style bathroom with dual vanities, a soaking tub, a walk-in shower, and a massive walk-in closet that feels more like a boutique than a closet. On the opposite side of the home, you'll find the secondary bedrooms, each with walk-in closets and access to their own bathrooms, perfect for kids, guests, or multi-generational living. There's also a flex retreat space right in the middle that can be used as a game room, home workstation, or a lounge area. Now let's talk about location. Blackhawk is one of Pflugerville's premier master plan communities, featuring resort-style pools, walking trails, parks, and a golf course. You're about 15 minutes from Tesla, 25 minutes from downtown Austin, and close to major highways like 130 and I-35. Homes in this community starts in the high 600s, and depending on the time of the year, a buyer may qualify for builder incentives and closing costs. Just come on in and check them out. So here's the thing. If you like this video, if you like the information that you're receiving, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm bringing you way more content from every community around Austin, Georgetown, Leander. You will see it. Ed the Realtor, I am checking out, baby.